Patagilid.
Tingnan nyo pre, na PFT.
Tularan niyo si G. Walang training.
Training,
Pero nag 21k. Doon na din siya nag-register. D-Day na.
Never what?
Never give up!
This
is us before 21K.
Yeah, let's go.
1K!
20k and for more.
2K!
2k.
3K! Hi guys! Yung mga kasama ko guys,
Hello, 4k.
ang
4k.
lalakas. 4K!
4k.
Heal!
Let's go.
Add muna. Dapat sa heal.
Magkano yung daan eh? Patagilid.
Singal.
Truck ka, yung truck nga, hirap ako pa kayang tao lang, ha? Ayun o, yung truck ko, hirap ko.
Hirap nga yung truck.
Ako pa kayang tao lang.
Yan yung heal. Thank you po.
Good morning.
Hello, it's me. It's you. I'ma tell you one time. Uy, ang ganda ng lighting, so
5k.
5K daw, di ako in-inform. Di ako na-inform. Ganda ng lighting, babe. Shower out.
Sa mga OC, ROTC. Ha? Sa mga kabady namin dyan. Tingnan nyo pre, na PFT.
Tularan niyo si G. Walang training.
Training,
Pero nag 21k. Doon na din siya nag-register. D-Day na.
Ganun ang PO.
Shout out to my Bebel lads. To my Jean. Thank you for allowing me to join this run even though it's so far away. Hello! It's me! Hello guys, it's me! Hello guys, it's me. Yes, it's me. It's your boy, Jackie Boy. And since I do have the action camera of Jelika again, once again, I would like to extend my gratitude to our classmate, our host for today's video, Second Lieutenant Caparas.
Hello. Shout out.
Thank you for being so accommodating, for providing us a good bed to sleep on, to have our sleep before our suicide run. Yeah. And then for the good foods and the good views, for showing us the good views here in Pampanga, even though we're in New Clark now here in Tarlac. But this is for Pampanga, so basically I'm mentioning Pampanga, right? Am I right? Yeah. So again, once again, shout out to my Bebel Labs and Jean. Thank you for allowing me to join this run. I'm having a good experience, a very good experience with my classmates, even though we're only 3. But we're going to meet our 2 classmates from class 64 later on. So that's for now. See you later when the sun shines and the sun comes. Bye bye.
Hello, good morning, OC Run.
Good morning.
6k. Woo!
Hydrate. 7K? 7K. 8K.
Kahit na rin, ano mga picture? Bida ka pare!
Yun.
Mac, bilisan mo!
Kaso, di natin ang
9K!
9K.
Let's go.
Ilan na lang? 12K to go.
Ano, for Jack. Ready? Bilis na. Parang ito pa ba?
Meron pero walang baso.
Okay lang?
Yun, buddy. Papunta pa lang. Sila pabalik na. Life goes on.
Thank you.
10K! Woo! Yan. Hey! Balik na kami! 11K! Go!
Hindi na lang. 10 kilometers na lang.
Strong!
Go.
Hey, bye, Jeff.
I'm your pacer right now, okay? Walang susuko.
Mentor!
Walang susuko. Never what?
Never give up! Dalawa na lang kami. 12K!
Never what?
Never give up!
Never what?
Never give up! 13 pa daw, guys.
13 km na kami.
Masakit na yung
To
gilid ko.
go. Ayan.
Ang goal ay hindi ma-injured.
Never what?
Never give up.
Never what?
Never give up! Walang,
Smile lang, no?
walang bagyo dito. Takbo lang meron. Pagod.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up!
Never back down, never what?
Never give up!
Let's go. Morning, sir.
Amin pa sa dulo yung goal. 6K na lang.
14 km.
Yeah.
Ayan. Let's go, Pio.
So nagpaplano na kami ng anong kakainin after. Anong kakainin, Caps?
Gusto nyo, pwedeng alabok, lugaw, pares,
Yun.
lechon silog, top silog,
Yun.
ano ba? Pare, ano po ba? Sisig, basta
Yun.
lahat ng delicacies dito sa Pampanga kakainin mo.
Yay!
Sir, basta matapos natin!
Basta
Matapos natin.
21K.
21K.
$15K.
15 km. Ano pa rin kami, guwapo at magaganda pa rin kami. Mas,
Malakas pa rin.
mas pa rin.
5K to go.
Yan, 16 km na kami, guys. Hindi na lang. Matatapos mo na ang first
Yay!
half marathon
Half
mo.
marathoner. Good morning.
Good morning. Last 4 km to go. Tatapos na kami para sa first marathon, half marathon meet.
Yeah. That's me.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Let's go.
17K.
20K. 4 na lang.
17K na tayo.
Last 4 km.
Last 4K. 18K! Last
3 km na lang. Let's go!
Last 2K!
19 km na kami! Let's go! Never back down, never what?
Never give up!
Never back down, never what?
Never give up!
Let's go!
Baon.
Ay, 20 km na kami! Just 1
Lapit
km!
na po!
O, dito lang!
Konti. Ready, go. This is us after 21K! Eh. Yun. Flag 17! Hi guys!
Again, calling the attention, yung nag-iwan po ng
Ready, go! Ay!
Next next round run. Ako ng mga natin.
Yun. Guys, I'm a marathoner. Anong, musta ang experience as 21K finisher?
Ayos lang. Hindi. It's not the run kasi the run, yung run na 21K, pwede mo naman siyang gawin anywhere eh. Ako nga, nag-21K. Ito, minajabong yun. 21K sa bahay, trip lang. Pero, ganun nga. Pero yung kasi maganda kasi sa mga run pagsali is yung experience with the people you run with, the community, tapos ayun, yung having a medal that signifies your trainings mo, ganyan, yung endurance, yung perseverance mo sa training. Parang yun yung fruit. Ayun, that's all. And it's a great experience to be part of this run. Syempre, to honor our seniors and to meet our classmates again. And nagdagdag pa din yung grabe yung hosting ng namin ni classmate. Iba talaga yung pang kala mo, kami, delegates kami na gagi.
Ito sila yung nag-aya sa akin. Isang aya, sama agad. Thank you. Ito yung mga kasama ko, my mentor. Di nila ko pinabayaan. Bye guys!